I'm going to camping at the park with my girlfriend Coldine. Coldine, do you want to go camping with me at the park?
Yes, Charlane. Let's go.
Let's build a tent.
Now it's just the right size for the both of us. It sure is nice being outside in the night with you, Charlane.
Me too, Coldine. And the s'mores were tasty. And look how beautiful the night sky and the moon is. Well, it's getting late, Coldine. Let's get some sleep.
Okay, Charlane. We are starting to feel drowsy.
Good night, Coldine.
Good night, Charlane.
What a wonderful day for a nice walk.
Charlane and Coldine, wake up.
Oh hey Dad. What's up?
Yes, you, Coldine. Get out of the tent right now.
Oh no.
Charlane, how dare you go camping with your girlfriend Coldine at the park? We've just caught you both in a hand.
And Coldine, how dare you go camping with your boyfriend Charlane at the park? That's it. You both are grounded for 2 years. When we get home, you both will go to your rooms.